This organic plant is tiny but mighty in poultry and livestock.
Hello. Why no one told you that Fennel seed can transform your poultry and livestock health? Fennel seed is also known as Saunf seed. Fennel is Fennel. Saunf is Saunf seed. That is scent plant seed. Scent plant seed. It is very tiny in nature. I think I need to show you so that you have an idea of how it looks like. This is a wonderful plant. It's a wonderful seed in poultry and livestock. Don't play with it, please. Are you tired of spending too much on synthetic drugs, antibiotics, and feed additives for your poultry and livestock? What if I should diet? There are natural, affordable, and powerful seeds you have likely overlooked. Saunf, also known as Fennel seed. In today's video, we will discover the hidden secrets and health transformation powers of this humble seed that can boost growth, improve digestion of your poultry, and prevent diseases in your poultry and livestock animals. It is a very tiny seed, but it does bigger things in poultry and livestock. Relax and make sure you watch to the end. Don't skip. If you skip, you are skipping knowledge. You are skipping good things. You are skipping something that will protect your poultry and livestock animals. What will you gain if you skip and still fall into the temptation or fall into the same sickness and spend money in curing it? And most of the times you may even buy the medication and it may not cure it. All the synthetic medications are very expensive now. If you want me to mention them and their prices, I will tell you. They are very costly. So it's not something you go out, you don't even look up. If you try it, you will not make any profit. So let's make use of this organic that are natural, that are God gifts to us. Please, some seed comes from the Fennel vulgare plant. It is a well-known aromatic herb, rich in essential oil and antioxidants, vitamins and minerals. In poultry and livestock farming, Fennel seed can be used as a feed additive, herbal medicine, and digestive aid. It is gaining popularity among organic and natural livestock farmers around the world today. It is a tiny seed, but it does bigger things in poultry. The top 15 scientifically backed benefits of Fennel seed in poultry and livestock is what I'm going to give you, and we're going to learn it together in this particular channel. How it can replace antibiotics and synthetic additives naturally, why incorporating some seed into animal diets can cut down costs and improve productivity, to cut down the cost of running the poultry and livestock business, and at the same time improve your profit and the profit margin. In fact, you are going to experience a very good total turnaround in your profit making. Most farmers are not making profit. They are only using poultry just to save money. They gather the money in bits, and when they sell, the money comes in bulk. That's what majority of the poultry farmers are doing. Some are into petty trades, into selling of abacha, all these things. They carry things along the street. When they gather the money together, buy the feed in small pits. When they sell it in bulk, the money comes in bulk. That's what most farmers, and majority of the farmers are doing. They're not making profit, and they are shy of talking about it. People see them that they are carrying big bags of feed on daily basis, but no profit at the end. They are just like goat that is tied to one tree. The goat continue turning around, and at the same time, no profit. But this particular seed can help you to reduce the cost of synthetic medication and increase your profit. How to start using it safely in your feed routine. All these are what we are going to know at the end of this particular video. So watch it the end. Let me start with the top 15 benefits of Saunf or Fennel seed in poultry and livestock farming. Please don't go away. After this break, we'll continue. You are welcome back. Top 15 benefits of Saunf or Fennel seed in poultry and livestock farming. Number 1, it boosts appetite naturally, stimulates digestive enzymes, encouraging birds and animals to eat more. And you know that once they are eating more, they can convert the feed and at the same time you get maximum profit. Because if they don't eat, there's no way they can convert anything. And if they don't convert, there is no way they can grow bigger. If they don't grow bigger, how can you make profit? Second one, improve digestion. They relieves indigestions, bloating, and constipation in poultry and livestock. Number 3, powerful natural dewormer. It helps eliminate intestinal worms and parasites without chemical dewormers. 4, it enhances egg production in layers. It improves reproductive hormones, balance the hormones, and which leads to increased laying performance in poultry and quality and big eggs. It improves fertility in breeders. If you are into breeding stock, you are into fertile eggs selling or hatching of eggs, this particular seed is very important for you. Please, it boosts sperm quality and ovulation in breeder stock, thereby increasing hatchability and production of day-old chicks. Antimicrobial and antifungal properties is dominant in this particular seed. It fights harmful bacteria and fungi, reducing disease outbreak. Natural respiratory support. Acts as an expectorant, clears mucus and soothes the respiratory tract of poultry and livestock. Very rich in antioxidants. It prevents cell damage, boosts immunity, and slow aging in birds and animals. It relieves heat stress. It has a cooling effect that helps livestock and birds manage hot weather better. It enhances feed conversion ratio. This particular seed improves nutrient absorption, leading to faster growth and less feed waste. It increases milk production in ruminants. For those of you into four-legged animals, it stimulates mammary glands in goat, sheep, and cow and other four-legged animals. It reduces inflammation. It contains anti-inflammatory compounds that release swelling and intestinal inflammations. It improves gut health. It promotes beneficial gut bacteria and reduces harmful pathogens in poultry and livestock. It prevents diarrhea and digestive disorders. It has properties that help firm stools and prevents scores in young animals. Act as natural immune booster. It builds resistance to diseases and reduces the need for frequent medications in poultry and livestock animals. Now you have known the powerful, cost-effective, and natural benefit of Saunf or Fennel seed in poultry and livestock farming. Whether you are raising broilers, layers, goat, cow, or sheep, adding Fennel seed to their diet can improve their health, reduce mortality, and boost your farm's profitability. Please don't wait until steady drugs fail you. Go organic, go herbal, and go Fennel. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more organic poultry farming secrets. Drop your questions in the comment section. I will reply every one of you. You know I'm very good in that. Drop reasonable questions. I will answer you reasonably. Thank you for watching. Give this video a thumb up immediately and let it reach other farmers. If you are yet to subscribe to our channel community membership, what are you waiting for? Click on join in the right corner of your screen. Follow the steps. Use your MasterCard. Use your card, either debit or credit card, and follow the steps. This is one of the secured platforms I ever know globally, because all the apps, bank apps, both foreign and local banks, are verified by Google, and Google owns YouTube, so they are most secure platform globally. Why are you afraid? If you're not afraid of using your bank app, then why are you afraid of people that verify their bank app? Thank you for watching. You don't need to let me know before you subscribe today. I will always see your name, and I will also join you to join Mrs. Janet Igwe, Titilayo Taiwo, Alefuna, Amaka I, then Onyedeka, and rest of them.